Puwu CT-418 Pro is marketed as an all-in-one welding and plasma cutting machine that combines MIG, TIG, stick welding, and plasma cutting into one compact unit. But the real question is it actually worth buying or just another cheap multifunction machine with big promises? Now, to be fair, combo welders like this are extremely popular with DIY users because they save space, cost less than buying separate machines, and offer decent versatility for hobby work. The Puwu CT-418 Pro is also a real function machine, not a fake listing. What it does well, good value for the price. The biggest strength is versatility. The CT-418 Pro combines MIG, gasless MIG, TIG, stick welding, and plasma cutting into one portable unit, which is attractive for home garages and light fabrication work. Portable and compact. At around 25 pounds, it is lighter than many traditional welders and easier to move around a small workshop or job site where it falls short. Probably not professional grade quality. This is the biggest issue. Machines in this price range are usually imported budget units, and experienced welders often warn that build quality, consistency, and long-term reliability can vary heavily. Customer support and manuals may be weak. Forum discussions about CT-418 style machines repeatedly mention confusing instructions, poor documentation, and limited seller support after purchase. Plasma cutting quality may disappoint beginners. Reddit users frequently mention that air pressure, consumables, and torch quality matter a lot with lower cost units. So, is the Puwu CT-418 Pro worth it? Short answer, yes for hobbyists and occasional users. Probably not for serious professional welders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.